I am sweating. My legs are burning. They're on fire. Welcome back to another video. My name is Kristell Foss, and today I'm going to be doing a lower body barbell only workout. This is going to hit all areas of your legs, so you can come right into the gym, grab a bar. You can load it up as much as you like. This is for beginners or advanced, and depending on how much weight you choose will depend on how hard it is. So this is going to hit every single area of your leg and your glutes. Enjoy the workout, and I'll see you at the end. What's up, you guys? I hope you are having an amazing new year, and I hope you had fun on New Year's Eve. I literally did nothing. I slept. I got my beauty sleep so I could record for you guys because that is what brings me joy in life. So the very first exercise out of these 6 exercises I'm going to show you today is a squat, side squat. So go ahead and choose your weight. If you are a beginner, you can start with just a bar. I think they're about 2 to 5 pounds. So just grab the bar, put it on your back. You're gonna squeeze your back together. Everything stays nice and tight. If you notice, nothing is moving. I am squeezing everything tight and just moving my legs. So you're gonna stand in a sumo position. Toes are slightly pointed out. And you're just gonna step from side to side. Make sure those knees do not bow in. Make sure you're squeezing your glutes as you come down, and as you come up, pull your belly button into your spine. Okay, next exercise for your complete lower body barbell workout is a reverse lunge with a curtsy lunge. So you're gonna stay on one leg the whole entire time and then switch to the other side. You're gonna reverse back, making sure your knee stays behind your toe, sitting into that heel. And then you're gonna simply cross back over into your curtsy lunge. As you come up to straight, I want you to pause for a second. Pull everything in, pull your belly button into your spine, squeeze your glutes. Tap your toe right next to your foot just to kind of get your footing and get your balance before you go into your curtsy lunge. And you're going to inhale as you come back. Exhale, press up and forward, squeeze your glutes and pull your belly button into your spine even more so. As you can see, I am slightly hinging forward in my hip. So my torso is not straight up and down. You don't want to have too much of a lower lumbar curve. You just want to have neutral spine, slightly hinging forward at the hip. Otherwise, you lose that contraction in your abdominals, and your abdominals are helping you with all of your movements. So making sure that you're breathing and using your abs to orchestrate this movement is super key in your fitness journey. And check this out real quick. So if you were to actually draw a straight line from the crown of my head all the way down to my knee when I lunge back, it would be a totally straight line. So just remember that when you're doing your lunges. Okay, third exercise complex. Oh, I love this one. This is a single leg deadlift, but we're gonna go kind of quick here. This is gonna work your whole entire body almost. So you're gonna work your back, your glutes, your hamstrings, your abs. Oh my. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're just gonna press one foot forward. You're gonna push your hips to the back of the room. You're gonna keep your back straight. Just bring the bar right below your knee, and you want to feel a stretch in your hamstring, okay? So none of that like sticking your booty out and arching your back stuff. This isn't really supposed to look like super pretty, okay? So you're gonna press down, you're gonna come up, squeeze your glutes nice and tight for about 2 seconds so you can feel that contraction. And then you're gonna drag that bar down your leg. When you come up to straight, make sure that you're keeping neutral spine and try to kind of look at your belly button and do a slight pelvic tilt. So what that means is your turning your pubic bone up towards you, and you're not thrusting your hips like through the wall in front of you, if that makes sense. All right, let's get those outer thighs and that booty, side booty, right? And of course, do not neglect your calves. Even if you have super developed calves, you still want to work them, just maybe with super, super light weight. You still want to work that muscle so that it doesn't cramp up, so that it's stretched out, you know, so that you can have normal function. So don't ever neglect any body part, but you can work different body parts differently to achieve different goals. So what we're gonna do is we're going to do a calf raise, and then we're gonna lift our leg to the side. Okay, this is like a balancing act, you guys. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go up onto your toes, keeping your knees slightly bent. And then you're gonna come back down, lift your leg to the side. See how my hips are staying totally square? I'm not lean. As I lift my hip, I'm not like falling to the side. So you wanna keep your hips nice and square. You're gonna squeeze your glutes as you lift your leg up and as you bring it down. Pretend like you're resisting against weight as you do those two movements. This movement is nice and controlled, and your back is totally flat. Make sure you're squeezing your scapula together. All right, so we can't neglect the inner thigh, right? We just did the outer thigh. Now we're gonna do the inner thigh. This will work your outer glutes as well. Anything in a sumo position will do that. But oh my gosh, my inner thighs are like sore from this already. It's crazy. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come into a nice sumo position, squeeze that bar nice and tight. Keep your hands and arms still the whole time. So your back is like stabilizing the exercise. Your abdominals are pulled in, your core is tight. You're just going to rock from side to side. Try to stay level if you can. Do not let your knee go over your toe. So you're really pushing your hips back towards the back wall. Squeeze your glutes and really try to resist from side to side. So when you're going right, really pretend like somebody's pushing on you as you go to that side. And then when you're done, just heel toe it all the way back into center. All right, guys, so last exercise for this EMOM circuit is going to be hip thrusts. So you're gonna lie down on the ground. If you need to put like a pad on the bar so it doesn't hurt your hips, go right ahead. You're gonna go ahead and keep your heels out about mat width apart. Knees do not bow in, so make sure you get those knees wide. And you're gonna press up and squeeze for about 2 to 3 seconds and do that pelvic tilt that I talked about earlier. So instead of really creating that huge arch in your lower lumbar spine, you almost wanna do that pelvic tilt under instead. It's even really helpful if when you thrust up that you actually tuck your chin to your chest and you look at your belly button. I find that I feel the best activation when I do that. All right, finishing off strong here with pulses. These are fire on my booty. I am dying right now. Oh my gosh, I have a really good poker face. You would never even know, right? All right, you guys, that is it. I will leave the workout in the description box below. It was awesome, and I will see you soon. Love you so much. Bye-bye. Okay, well done. I am sweating so bad right now. That was such a great lower body barbell workout. My legs are burning. They're on fire. So I hope you enjoyed that workout. Whoever you are, you can do this workout. Start with the bar and move on up. And I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye.